Woodpeckers belong to the family Pizzidae, with over 200 different species. They are widely distributed from North America, South America, and Europe to Asia and Africa. Woodpeckers vary in size, from small species only a few centimeters long to larger ones over 50 centimeters. They are characterized by their colorful plumage and sturdy beaks. One of the most remarkable features of woodpeckers is their ability to peck at tree trunks at a rate of up to 20 times per second without suffering head injuries. This is possible due to their specially structured skulls and strong neck muscles. Woodpeckers primarily feed on insects, larvae, and tree sap. They help control harmful insect populations, protecting trees from diseases. Understanding woodpeckers helps us appreciate their role in nature and the importance of conserving this unique bird species.